Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. So today's video, I'll be sharing my Christmas 2023 home tour. And guess what, y'all? We are finally giving the Grinchmas theme a rest. I decided to go with the candy cane peppermint theme this year, and I really love how everything turned out. I truly enjoy making Christmas magic for my little family, so I hope this whimsical candy cane theme gives you all the holiday feels and that you have a safe and enjoyable holiday season. So if you're interested in seeing my candy cane themed Christmas 2023 home tour, just keep on watching. As always, I'm kicking the tour off with our front porch. The gingerbread people are from Hobby Lobby. The gingerbread house outdoor rug is from Target, and the red striped rug layered underneath is from At Home. Both the garland and door wreath were DIY projects, and the peppermint picks used in the wreath are from Hobby Lobby. The entryway setup isn't candy cane themed, but I wanted to feature the Christmas village we started last year since it is a part of the Christmas home tour. One of the food trucks does sell peppermints, so it counts. I decorated the kitchen countertops. Everything is from Hobby Lobby except for the mugs in the hot chocolate bar area and the cookie jar. They were both purchased at Home Goods. Now we're in the dining room. The chair covers and peppermint table runner are from Amazon. I found the Mr. Christmas blow mold candles at Ross, and the remaining decor items are from Hobby Lobby and At Home. Moving on to the living room, I put a little more effort into the stair rail this year. Normally I just line it with garland, but I decided to add a little more pizzazz with ornaments and ribbon, all from Hobby Lobby. For the couch, I changed out the accent pillows and added a festive throw blanket. The round peppermint throw pillows are from At Home. The Santa pillow is from Michael's. The pillow covers are from Amazon, and the striped throw blanket is from Ross. The accent chair, that red chair cover is from Amazon. The candy cane throw blanket is from Ross. And again, the peppermint accent pillow is from At Home. All of the credenza decor is from Hobby Lobby with the exception of Santa, who was a thrift find. The fireplace mantel decor is from At Home and Hobby Lobby. Now onto the star of the show, our 12-foot Christmas tree, which is from At Home, by the way. The ornaments are from all of the stores, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, At Home, just to name a few. But specific to the candy cane theme, the peppermint tree picks are from Hobby Lobby, and the majority of the jumbo peppermint ornaments are from Michael's. So I hope y'all enjoyed our candy cane peppermint themed Christmas 2023 home tour. My prayer is that you all have a wonderful holiday season surrounded by those you love. If the holidays are tough for you, I'm sending love and virtual hugs your way. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.